Have you ever wondered what true freedom from ego, attachment, and pride feels like?
निष्कारणा निष्कलङ्का निरुपाधिर्निरीश्वरा नीरागारागमथिनी निर्मदा मदनाशिनी.
This shloka describes Ma as Nishkarana, the one who exists without any cause, and Nishkalanka, completely free from all blemishes. She is beyond all limitations, beyond worldly identities, and independent of everything. As Niraga, she is untouched by attachment, and as Ragamathini, she destroys the bonds of worldly desires. She is Nirmada, free from pride, and Madanashini, the one who removes ego, arrogance, and the distractions that keep us away from spiritual growth. By chanting and reflecting on this sacred shloka, devotees pray for freedom from attachment, pride, and negative tendencies while developing humility, purity, and inner strength. May the divine grace of Sri Lalita Devi guide your heart towards lasting peace, wisdom, and devotion. What if just one verse could free your mind from worry, ego, and attachment?
निश्चिन्ता निरहङ्कारा निर्मोहा मोहनाशिनी निर्ममा ममता हन्त्री निष्पापा पापनाशिनी.
In this sacred verse, Sri Lalita Devi is praised as Nischinta, the one who is forever free from worry, Nirahankara, completely beyond ego, and Nirmoha, free from illusion while destroying delusion in the hearts of devotees. She is Nirmama, untouched by possessiveness, and Mamata Hantri, the one who removes unhealthy attachment. Devi is also Nishpapa, eternally pure, and Papanashini, the one who destroys the effects of sins and negative actions. This shloka reminds us that true peace comes when we surrender our worries, ego, attachment, and ignorance at the feet of Ma. By chanting and reflecting on these divine names with devotion, we invite inner purity, mental clarity, and lasting spiritual strength into our lives. Can one divine verse help dissolve anger, greed, doubt, and the endless cycle of suffering?
निष्क्रोधा क्रोधशमनी निर्लोभा लोभनाशिनी निस्संशया संशयग्नि निर्भवा भवनाशिनी.
In this powerful shloka, Sri Lalita Devi is praised as Nishkrodha, the one who is completely free from anger, and Krodhashamani, the one who calms the anger within every heart. She is Nirlobha, free from all greed, and Lobhanashini, the destroyer of greed and unhealthy desires. Nisamshaya and Samshayagni, Devi removes confusion, doubt, and fills the mind with faith and clarity. Finally, as Nirbhava and Bhavanashini, she is beyond the cycle of birth and death and grants liberation from worldly bondage. By chanting and reflecting on this shloka with devotion, we pray for freedom from anger, greed, fear, and doubt, while inviting inner peace, wisdom, and spiritual growth through the boundless grace of Sri Lalita Devi. Freedom begins the moment the mind stops creating divisions.
निर्विकल्पा निराबाधा निर्भेदा भेदनाशिनी निर्नाशा मृत्युमथिनी निष्क्रिया निष्परिग्रहा.
This shloka reveals the limitless nature of Sri Lalita Devi. She is beyond all doubts, beyond obstacles, and beyond every form of difference. As Bhedanashini, Devi destroys the illusion of separation and helps us realize the oneness of all existence. She is eternal, untouched by destruction or death, and as Mrityumathani, she conquers the very fear of mortality. Free from attachment, action, and possession, Ma exists in complete divine perfection, reminding us of the highest state of spiritual freedom. Reciting or meditating on this sacred shloka with devotion helps calm the mind, remove fear, dissolve negative thoughts, and strengthen inner peace. With the blessings of Sri Lalita Devi, seekers move closer to wisdom, fearlessness, and the experience of everlasting divine bliss. Have you ever wished for a divine presence that removes sorrow and fills life with lasting peace?
निस्तुला नीलचिकुरा निरपाया निरत्यया दुर्लभा दुर्गमा दुर्गा दुःखहन्त्री सुखप्रदा.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi is praised as Nistula, the one beyond all comparison, Neela Chikura with beautiful dark locks symbolizing infinite beauty, Nirapaya and Niratyaya completely free from danger, limitation and decline. She is Durlabha and Durgama, difficult to realize without sincere devotion, yet as Durga, she lovingly protects every devotee. Finally, she is Dukkhaantri, the destroyer of sorrow, and Sukhaprada, the bestower of true happiness, peace, and spiritual fulfillment. By chanting and contemplating this sacred shloka with faith, devotees seek Sri Lalita Devi's blessings to overcome life's challenges, remove suffering, gain inner strength, and experience lasting joy, protection, and divine grace. May Ma guide your heart towards peace and fulfill every righteous aspiration.